So what's up, guys? So it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video, I'm about to show you guys how you can make money online. As you can see, so this is impact.com. A lot of people know Impact is an affiliate company that helps to help people generate link for any of their affiliate businesses or any of their niche they want to blog about to advertise. Okay, so I'll just quickly sign up with my account right here. So as you can see right here in my affiliate link, I have about $14 right here. Okay, so this is okay. This is a flash message opportunity. Looking to join the marketplace? Simply click on the join. Okay, to begin, join the impact.com market. Edit your profile. All of those. Okay, that's pretty nice. So currently now I've made about $15. As let's see, yeah, let's see, 15.5. Okay, as what you're seeing right here, so I made this around 11th of December from 9th to 15th. So I've gotten about 5 clicks. So all of those information. So what I do is that I advertise Namecheap. I let people buy Namecheap product, which is domain, email, hosting, VPN from Namecheap using my affiliate link. Okay, so you can quickly do all of this also and start making money off it. You just make videos on YouTube and you attach your affiliate link concerning what you will be blogging about on YouTube. So for me, I do tutorial web development. So I do tutorial web development, and through those that are interested in purchasing hosting and domain, through my link purchase the hosting and domain. So from there I'll be giving some commission of what they purchase. Okay, so this is the fast way of making money online. So if you're hearing people making money online, so this is actually affiliate. This is an affiliate scheme. Okay, this is an affiliate scheme. So I have this on total pending. So let's see what this pending is about. So let's see. So expected payment date will be January 8th. So on January 8th, I'll be able to withdraw this 15.35 US dollars. Okay, so it's a small money, but think if you have a channel about 1 million subscribers, this is just one person's click. This is one person's purchase. Okay, this is one person's purchase. So let's assume like 1 million people did this. Immediately you've gotten about like 50 million US dollar. So affiliate is another way of making a bastard money. Okay, you make money off people's exercise, of people's expenses, of people's purchase. So do so by getting involved in impact.com, app.impact.com. So on app.impact.com, you can start making money. You can start making money online. So I hope you find this. So a way you can get your affiliate link. Okay, let's click on link right here. So it's a create and share link. So I've already created link. Okay, this is my link right here. So you can just edit it. So you create your link once you've signed up on impact.com. So to be able to sign up on impact.com, just go to namecheap.com, go down to their footer. You're gonna see their affiliate program. You click on it and you're just gonna enroll. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how you can get started with Impact. So I'm going to type on Namecheap. on namecheap.com, just scroll down to the footer right here. Okay, scroll down to the footer. Okay, since person need to sign up to be able to see all those other functions, so let's see. Just I don't have my account here. I don't have my account here. But once you are in Namecheap, you're gonna see it on this footer. You're gonna see it on this footer. Possibly when you've signed in, if you have an account with them, those footer extra features will be unlocked. Those extra features will be unlocked. So you just need to sign up, create an account with them, and once you go to the footer, you're gonna see the affiliate program. You click on affiliate program, it's going to prompt you to 3 sites that they are partner with, of which Impact is one of them. So for me, I use this Impact and I've started making money off Impact affiliate program with Namecheap. So if you love what we're doing, ensure you subscribe to our channel, ensure you do the same process and you start making money using on affiliate program. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.